So today keep solving our physics GRE, and we're solving 13. Okay, so there are multiple ways to solve 13, but I like to say that I think the easiest way is first you know that this is a line. Okay, so that means the log y is a log x plus log b, or I should not say log b, some b, because it's a log plot, and at log plot you see a line, right? So basically this is the ansatz you can use. Okay, so this tells you that y is b something constant. This b is not the same as b. It's not the same as this b, but you can see this is the correct ansatz what we like to use. Oh, this is a. Then this b is the exponential b, but we don't care, just some constant b. Okay. So once you know this, then you can solve it easily. Okay. Okay. So this point x equal to 3, y is close to 10. And this point, which is 200, 300, x equal to 300, y is equal to 100. Okay, so this tells you that 10 is equal to x to the cube, so 3 to the a times b, and the 100 is 300 to the a times b. So we can divide it, use this, divide this. We get 10 equals to 300 divided by 3 to the a. So 10 equals to 100a. So a is 0.5. Plug in, you get 10 equals to 3 to the 0.5 times b. So you can solve b. So the square root of 3 is 1.732. So this, I guess, is 4 or 5. But you know, you at least know a should be 0.5, a should be 0.5. So which one is 0.5? The answer is a. The only remaining is a. So it's very easy. You can, well, once you figure out the ansatz should be this, then plug any 2 points, you can get a 0.5. So we choose a. Okay, so 14. 14. Basically, you have 2 experiments and ask about a weighted average, and ask about uncertainty of weighted average. Okay, so this problem is difficult because if you don't know the formula, you will take a lot of time to solve it. So the weighted average means that suppose you have x1 to xn variable, you have the weighted average is defined to be this. Ooh. And this wi is 1 over sigma I squared. Okay, and this tells you that the total sigma. Let me see. So this tells you that the error analysis can tell you that this weighted average basically is sum over this weight, and then do the square root, and then take negative square root of 2. Okay, so this is the formula you need to remember. So the answer for this is just 1 squared plus 2 squared, and the half square root, and 1 over this. So basically this is 1 over 4 over 5 over 4 square root. So 2 over square root of 5. 2 over square root of 5. So the answer is B. The answer is B. Okay, that's it. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I will see you guys in the next channel.